had resent yesterday interference wala sheet, correct?
Yes.
Within half an hour, we'll go through all, or 1 hour. Wherever doubt persists, I will clear that, and then we'll start with new. Come to page number, will not solve. Looking at that, if you feel you don't know, you will ask me. Page number 19. Page number 19. First one. You all can solve. First one, page number 19 of last class sheet. That is interference and diffraction wala. Yes. फास्ट देख के
Yes,
बोलो.
sir.
नहीं आएगा तो I will do. Everybody can solve. First one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one. Pardon. Second one. Should I do? Hello. Should I do it?
The third one.
Third one. Okay. Second. No doubt, na? See, you have to take initiative now. If you have doubt, you have to ask me. Yes. Second one. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Third one. Width of one of the slit. Width of one of the slit is twice the other. Assume that amplitude is proportional to slit. So amplitude is twice the other one. Generally it is intensity, but if they have given take in amplitude proportional to slit width, so A1 is twice the amplitude. What is ratio of maximum to minimum intensity? It is A1 plus A2 upon A1 minus A2 square. So twice A2 plus A2, twice A2 minus A2 square. That is 3 times A2 upon A2 square. 9:1. Option D. 9:1. After this 4, 5, 6, just check. I think fifth one you will require help, or you know.
Yes, sir. Fifth.
Fifth one.
Fifth one I should do, na? Okay. सब जितना भी doubt है, either you collect and ask, or I will give you sums, you have to ask me. Path difference between two interfering wave at a point on the screen is lambda by 8. Path difference is lambda by 8. We want ratio of intensity at this point to that at the central fringe, central point, central band. See, my common sense says it will be greater than less than 1, because center is maximum. For you also, I think it is same. So less than 1 option is given only 1. So I can mark A, but we'll calculate. Intensity at a point where path difference is lambda by 8. Wherever you see lambda, you can write 2 pi to get phase. So phase difference I got pi by 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is formula for intensity? It is I plus 2 root I cos pi by 4. That means this is 4i, you know. Intensity is 4i at center. So 2i plus 2i cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 upon 4i. Hello? Yeah. हाँ मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. So this is root 2. That means 2i plus 1.414i upon 4i. 3.414i upon 4i. 3.414 upon 4. 0.48 is 32. 1 is not divisible. 32, 21. 4 5 is 20. 4 3 is 12. This is the answer. Have you followed or you want again explanation?
Follow, sir.
Follow.
Okay. Then 6, 7, 8 may say you have any doubt, just tell.
No, sir.
No doubt, no? 6, 7, 8. See, any student is having doubt, please ask. Don't wait for others asking. What about 9 and 10 then? Nine and 10, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. 11, 12, 13.
11.
11th one. Arya, you don't have any doubt? Hello, Arya?
No, sir.
You never asked the question. That means you don't have any doubt.
No, sir, I had similar doubts, so that was all.
How it is possible every time you have similar doubts? Because I have never heard your voice unless until I speak out. It can't be so coincident. You have same doubt every time. Is it possible? So much coincidence. Everybody is having same doubt only with what one child asks. That means either you are not asking or you know everything. Figure shows two coherent sources of waves. Of vibrating with same phase and separated by distance of 8 centimeter. Distance between two coherent source, that is small d, is given 8 centimeter. P is the nearest point to the axis. Nearest point to the axis. Nearest point means what it will give? First bright or second bright or third bright or any number of bright or similarly dark.
First bright.
If it is bright, then first bright, dark, then fixed, first dark. So they are telling constructive interference nearest. So it is first bright wala point. This is the meaning. If S1 P is 26 centimeter, then wavelength is how much? This distance is given 24. For first bright, we know path difference is 1 lambda and path difference is x d by d. But this we can use formula if d is very, very large than small d. Otherwise, we have to do calculation. Now you will say, sir, very, very large means how much large? It should be nearly 4 times. 24 is clear cut, not 4 times 8. Then S1P and S2P if I find, I will get path difference. And then for first bright, it is 1 lambda. What is S2P square from the figure? If we call this as, hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What will be S2P square from the figure? Will it be 24 square
24 square plus
plus
18.
PQ? PQ will be this 14 plus 4, na? Because this is center. So 4, 4, 14 plus 4, 18. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the important point to remember that this is 14 plus 4. So 576 plus 324, that is 900. So S2P taking square root will be 30. Therefore, at P, S2P minus S1P is 1 lambda for first bride. That is 30 minus 26 is lambda. 4 equals to lambda. So 4 equals to lambda.
Done, sir.
After this 12, 13, 14.
So 13.
30. Read Ayush 13.
Yes. In Young's interference experiment, a double slit interference experiment is set up in a chamber that can be completely evacuated with monochromatic light. An interference pattern is observed when the container is open to the air. As the container is evacuated, a careful observer will note that the interference fringes.
Okay. When evacuated, that is made denser or rarer? Rarer, na? Vacuum kar rahe to?
Rarer.
Rarer. So when evacuated, that is made rarer. Lambda will increase, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If lambda is increasing, then fringe width is lambda d by d will increase. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So fringes will come closer or move away.
Away.
Fringes will move away. Option देख लो है क्या? They will move slightly further apart. C option. Try it.
Done, sir.
Now which one? 14, 15 में?
Sir, 14th.
14. In a double slit experiment with monochromatic lights, fringes are obtained on a screen placed at some distance from the slit. If the screen is moved by, if this is slit and this is screen, screen is moved by 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter towards. Towards means it is decreased or increased? Yes,
Decreased.
decreased. मतलब ये d1 minus d2 हो जाएगा ना, 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. The change in fringe width is 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. If separation between slit is 10 raised to minus 3, then find what is wavelength. Find what is wavelength. So x1 minus x2 will be lambda by d, d1 minus d2. Now I think you got idea.
Yes.
Just try and tell the correct answer. Today I will send you wave theory wala sheet. You have to solve full so that I clear the doubts. And then I will start with ray optics wala part. Light section you should not go wrong.
Sir, option A.
Yes. 6000 Angstrom, correct na?
Yes.
Where you got held up in this, or what concept you could not make out?
Sir, I didn't get the question at first.
अच्छा ठीक है अब समझ गया बराबर आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what about 15, 16, 17? See, even small questions, please ask. This is your last minute revision.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. 18-1?
Yes, sir.
18-1, you want me to do?
Yes, sir.
In double slit experiment carried out with a light of wavelength 5000 Angstrom unit, the distance between slit is 0.2 millimeter and the screen is at 200 centimeter from the slit. The central maxima is at x equal to 0. Then third maxima from center will be where? Third maxima. What is formula for nth bright from center? Is it n lambda d by d? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So for third bright, can I say x3 will be 3 lambda d by d?
Yes,
Lambda is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Capital D is 2 meter. Small d is 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. So 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, which is 15 millimeter or 1.5 centimeter. I hope now you are satisfied with the answer.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then 19 and 20,
So 19th one.
because see 19 and 20 are similar. If you know 19th, you will get 20 also. 19th. Aslesha, read that sum 19.
White coherent light, range of wavelength 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, is sent through the slits of Young's double slit experiment. Separation between the slits is 0.5 millimeter and screen is 50 centimeter from slits. There is a hole in the screen at a point 1 millimeter away from the central axis. The wavelengths which will be missing in the light coming from the hole are.
Okay. 1 millimeter away from central axis. So when you are reading, I have drawn the diagram. This diagram you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are telling which wavelength will be missing through this hole. Missing means we are not able to see coming out through that. That means they are giving destructive interference. So I can say missing wavelength are producing destructive interference. Destructive interference. So if destructive, then what is path difference? It is x d by d. This is path difference formula. Odd multiple of half the wavelength. Okay, where n
Yes.
can take value 1 to dot dot dot. Now all wavelengths we don't want. We want in this range which wavelength will be missing. So from this lambda will become 2 times xd upon d upon odd multiple. X is 1 millimeter, so 10 raised to minus 3. D is 0.5 millimeter, 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. Capital D, 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 into odd multiple. 5 cancel. So it will become 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 plus 1 minus 6. 2n minus 1. This is in meter. So in nanometer, you have to multiply with 10 raised to 9 nanometer upon 2n minus 1. Therefore, it is 2000 upon 2n minus 1 nanometer. That means lambda will become, okay, just copy till this, then I'm putting the values.
Done, sir.
I'm just clearing everything. Huh? So 2000 upon odd multiple we got. Everybody has written, or we want me to bring it back? See,
Written.
written. Huh?
Written, sir.
Okay. So therefore lambda will become 2000 upon 1, 2000 upon 3, 2000 upon 5, dot dot dot. That means 2000 upon 3 is 666 recurring. So I can write 67. This is 400 dot dot dot. So only these two are in that range. They have given, I think, 667 and 400. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now you followed for this missing wala.
Yes, sir.
See, next one is next what they have told. Same type. Having maximum intensity. So what you will do here?
It
XD
will
by
be
D
constructive.
should be n lambda, na?
Yes, sir.
So lambda should be x d by d upon n. X is how many millimeter?
1.
1. So 10 raised to minus 3. This is okay, now the 0.5. 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. Capital D is 50. 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 meter. 5 cancel. So 10 raised to minus 6 in meter divided by n. Divided by n. That means it is 1000 nanometer upon n. So this will be 1000 upon 0 1000 upon 1, 1000 upon 2 dot dot dot. 1000 upon 1 means infinity, can't take. This can't take. 500. So only one option will come, 500. A. So whenever you have to find, missing means destructive interference wala.
Done, sir.
Now from 21, 22, 23. No doubt now.
No doubt.
24, 25, 26, 27.
27.
27. Okay. Anana gave an exam.
Sir, today is my paper. Yeah, after class.
Acha, so after that 121 mark, today's that paper, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो best of luck, अच्छा करो.
Thank you, sir.
27. In a Young's double slit experiment, fifth bright band due to one monochromatic light of wavelength lambda 1 coincides with 6. See, whenever coincide comes, whenever. So fifth is coinciding, means overlapping. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So that means their distance, fifth bright ka distance with first color must be same as sixth bright ka for second color.
Yes, sir.
So it is 5 lambda 1 d by d is 6 lambda 2 d by d. D by d cancel, lambda 1 upon lambda 2, 6 by 5. Concept is coincide, distance same. So 6 is to 5.
Done, sir.
Done. No? Then 28. Shirt. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then 28, 29.
29.
Yes, you have asked, huh? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Can you read there? Which graph we want? Kiska graph chahiye? Fringe width and distance na, between slit.
Yes, sir.
Tell me formula for fringe width. Lambda d by d.
Yes, sir.
Is it inversely proportional to d?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you get inverse, that means product is constant, correct? Then it is rectangular hyperbola like this. This is called
Okay.
rectangular hyperbola. Option B, not followed.
Follow.
1 minute, just I'm coming in 1 minute. After this with Sam, 30th.
So 30.
Yeah, good Sam. Ayush, can you read 30 then?
Yes, sir.
Read it.
In Young's double slit experiment, we get 10 fringes in the field of view of monochromatic light of wavelength 4000 angstrom. If we use monochromatic light of wavelength 5000 angstrom, then the number of fringes obtained in the same field of view is.
Okay. That means your distance of field of view is not changed, but wavelength is changed, correct?
Yes, sir.
In first case, we are getting 10 fringes. Here we want, I'm telling N2. What is same? Distance is same, na?
Yes, sir.
What is distance of one fringe? 1 lambda d by d. So 10 fringe will be 10 lambda 1 d by d. In this case, it will be N2 lambda 2 d by d. Clear this first formula?
Yes, sir.
Now I think you can easily do. 4000. This is N2 into 5000. 3 zeros cancel. 5 into 2 is 10. 8 equal to N2. 8.
Done, sir.
Okay. 1. Then 31, 32, 33. 33.
Yes, sir.
In Young's double slit experiment, the slits are 2 millimeter apart and illuminated by light, mixture of light of wavelength 12,000 and 10,000 angstrom respectively. At what minimum distance from the common central fringe at 2 meter from the slit will a bright of one coincides with bright of other? Coincides words आ गया ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See which one is coinciding, they didn't say. कोई तो first वाला is coinciding with कोई तो second वाला. Then what is that distance, correct?
Yes, sir.
So can I say let N1 of first coincides with N2 of second? So that means distance of N1 bright of first should match with N2 bright of second. This line followed. देखो मुझे कैसा क्लिक होता है, कोइंसाइड बोला तो मैं बोल दूंगा डिस्टेंस सेम. फॉर्चुनेटली दोनों ब्राइट है, डार्क होएगा तो डैश कर दूंगा. What is formula for nth bright? N lambda d by d, correct ना?
Yes, sir.
This will be N2 lambda 2 d by d. So N1 into lambda 1 is N2 into lambda 2. 6 times N1 is 5 times N2. So whenever product comes same, go for by LCM method. What is LCM of 6 and 5? Is it 30?
30.
So N1 should be 5 and N2 should be 6. तभी coincide करेगा. और multiple भी होता है कभी कभी. मतलब 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. 10 and 12 पे भी coincide करेगा. 5 3s are 13, 6 3s are 18 पे भी coincide करेगा. We want least. So N1 is 5. So can I say required distance will be x5 of first one? This line followed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 5 lambda 1 d by d. 5 into 12,000 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Capital D is 2, small d is 2 millimeter. So 10 raised to minus 3, 2 cancel. 12 into 5, 60. 6 एक ही है ना? 6 नंबर 6 दिख रहा है आपको? एक ही है.
Yes, sir.
तो वही आंसर है ना, 6 millimeter शायद. Even if I don't solve, because 12 into 5, 60. figure 6 is available only at one place. So my option is 6 millimeter. फर्स्ट एंड इंपॉर्टेंट इज कोइंसाइडिंग डिस्टेंस से, तो उससे मुझे नंबर मिला कौन कोइंसाइड हो रहा है, फिर उससे मैंने डिस्टेंस निकाला.
Done, sir.
Now 34, 35, 34, 35,
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
36, 37, 38. No, no.
No, sir. 39.
39 होगा डाउट. हाँ, 39. 9. In a biprism, 38 वाला you know, or shall I explain? 38 देखो सब लोग आता है, फिर 39 करता हूं. 38, हेलो, व्हाट अबाउट 38?
हो जाएगा, sir.
Okay, 39. In a biprism experiment, slit is illuminated by light of wavelength 5000 angstrom unit. The number of bright fringes passing on the screen, if path difference is changed by, see, path is not changed, path difference is changed by 0 point, change in path difference is 0.005 centimeter. That means 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Then how many fringes will pass? So if this is screen, this is suppose point P, here path difference is P1, then at this point Q, there will be some another path difference. So here if this is N1 band and here N2 band, then difference of this will be the fringes passing. Okay. See, path difference at P is N1 lambda and path difference at Q is N2 lambda. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So change in path difference will be N1 minus N2 lambda. Not followed.
Followed.
So 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 is N1 minus N2. 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. 5 cancel. Therefore, N1 minus N2, 10 raised to minus 5 upon 10 raised to minus 7, 100 fringes will pass. I hope you followed.
Yes, sir.
39 completed. Good sum it was. How many fringes will pass if path difference is changed by that much amount? After this, tell me 40, 41, 42. If any doubt,
No doubt.
43.
43.
Refracting angle of biprism is about, remember, 0.5 degree. See, 43. This is biprism. This angle is nearly 0.5 degree and this is 179 degree. Draw the diagram so that you remember. This is called refracting angle of biprism. (44) also doubtful, it seems.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. In a biprism experiment, micrometer reading for 0th order. 0th order means central bright, huh? X0, 0th order. And 10th order fringe are 1.25 millimeter and 2.37 millimeter. When light of wavelength 6000 angstrom is used, if light of wavelength 7000 is used, then micrometer reading for 0th order and 10th order will be counted. See, for any wavelength, will there be change in position of center or it will remain same?
It will remain same.
It will remain same. So x0 for second wavelength is same, 1.25 millimeter. We have only one answer 1.25 or two answer 1.25?
Two.
Two. So I cannot mark answer. I have to find second also. अब ये दोनों का जो भी difference है, ये will be lambda 1 d by d, because 0th 10 मतलब 10 lambda d by d,
Yes, sir.
and इसका जो difference है वो lambda 2 d by d.
Yes, sir.
So x10 minus x0 due to first one upon x10 minus x0 due to second. Can I say lambda 1 by lambda 2? Can I say like this?
Yes, sir.
एक सेकंड. हाँ, हेलो, ये आया क्या? इसको 195 में रख देना. ठीक. x10 2.37 for first, this is 1.25. x10 of second you want minus 1.25. This is nothing but 6000 upon 7000, 0 cancel. 2.37 minus 1.25 will become 7 minus 5 2, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 1 1, into 7 upon 6 will be x10 of second minus 1.25. Okay, till this followed?
Yes.
Now see, 6 into 1 is 6, remainder will be 5, 52. 6 into 9 is close to, no, 60, 52 आया ना. 6 into 8 48, 6 into 9 54. We got 52. ठीक है, closest हो गया. So x naught for second color will be 7 into 9 63, 7 and 6, 13. 133. 0.19. So this will be 1.33 plus 1.25. 5 and 3, 8, 5 and 2, 7, 2.78. Do we have anything close to this? .25 and 2.78. नहीं, कुछ तो मिस्टेक हुआ मेरा लगता है. 3 and 2 5 है ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
3 and 5 8, 2 and 5 8. So option A. Shall I explain again or you got it again?
Got it, sir.
Okay. What about 45 and 46?
No, sir.
You know formula of shift, mu minus 1 into T by lambda.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 47, 48.
No, sir.
Okay. 49, 50. 50 बताऊं क्या? मुझे लग रहा है 50 डाउट है. 50.
Yes, sir.
See, how will you check whether it is interference or diffraction? Single slit आया ना तो interference diffraction हो जाता है. So width, a single slit of width 0.20 millimeter is illuminated by light of wavelength 500 nanometer. The screen is placed at 80 centimeter from slit. Then width of central bright will be how much? Central bright in diffraction is twice lambda d by d. So only important is identifying whether it is fringe width of diffraction or central width of interference. So 2 times now you get 500 into 10 raised to minus capital D is 80 into 10 raised to minus 2, small d 0.2, that means 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. 8 into 5 44 एक ही में दिख रहा है. C is the answer. What is condition for secondary max minimum in diffraction? It is d sin theta equal to n lambda. ये याद रखना. For secondary maxima, what is condition in diffraction? D sin theta means path difference. It is 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. So first minima to 1 lambda, first maxima 3 lambda by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell 50 to 53 में any doubt?
No, sir.
54? No, no, 54.
No.
55? Yes, 55?
No, sir.
No. 56, 57?
No, sir.
58. Yes, 58.
58.
सर्कुलर पैटर्न, हाँ, डी, मतलब एक साइड फिर दूसरे उसका आजू बाजू में गोल 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 ड्यू टू डाइफ्रैक्शन आएगा. Then rest all we did in the last lecture. So your interference and diffraction I have completed today. Wave theory I am sending. You please do it today and tomorrow will clear the doubts. And if no doubt, then I will start with compound microscope, simple microscope, telescope wala part. Clear?
Yes,
Well
Yes,
done.
sir.
Yeah, well done for today. Just I am sending wave theory. Please practice it